When you have a broad idea for a research project, it can be hard to narrow it down to something specific. Gale In Context databases give the tools you need to focus your topic and find the best sources for your research. Start with a reference article or overview to build background knowledge, brainstorm keywords, and develop a specific perspective for your research. If available, continue refining your investigation with Topic Finder, which maps themes and subtopics within your research. Click to discover new search paths and immediately access relevant results. As you clarify the focus of your research, use Advanced Search to target precise results and quickly locate materials that meet your needs. When you find documents to support your project, make sure to use the available tools to stay organized and save yourself time so that you can focus on getting your next A.